Welcome back everyone. Today we are making ranch dressing. Now it will take you about 4 minutes to make because we are doing it in real time. It will probably even take you maybe more like 3 minutes because we had to faff around with like laying out the ingredients, showing you stuff. So, but 3 minutes to make if you're not going back and forth between the video. Now for this, what we normally do is we chop it to even sizes, like the same size, so we can stack it up in a pile. And once you have it in a pile, we can just chop away. I would suggest to go fine, but it doesn't matter. They don't have to be perfect because it is going in the blender anyways. So whatever size you think is best for your blender. Ideally, when you're scraping it across the board, you want to use the back of your knife so you don't make your knife more dull than it already is, for those of you who don't sharpen your knives enough. Anyways, we started with way too much cilantro here, so we are going to get rid of the rest of it not the rest of it, half of it after we chop it. See, there you go. You didn't believe me, huh? And chop it nicely. Again, this is going to go in the blender. And remember, when you move it, use the back of the knife. Now, my dad forgot to move the cilantro, but we're on to the lemon. You need about a teaspoon, but you don't really need a teaspoon. You can just eyeball it because everyone's tastes are different. Add the rest of the ingredients, and then it's time to blend. You can also add the salt and pepper at the end after you've mixed it, so you can adjust the taste of it to however you like it. Or just using a mini shredder here, but you can also use a garlic, like those garlic smushers, and or you can get pre-shredded garlic, but we just use this because it also looks good for the video, and that's what we had lying around. So, but you can use whatever works best for you. If you don't have buttermilk in your fridge, you can add a tablespoon of lemon or a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a cup of milk, or you can thin out some yogurt. And last of all, the herbs, because I have to be Irish when I say that for some reason. Now you can just whisk it together or shake it up in a jar. We like to blend it because it means we don't have to be that fine when we're chopping the herb. And it also gives it a nice green look, which makes it look healthy. Healthy salad dressing, which you think salad dressing would be healthy. You want to blend it for about 15 to 30 seconds so it's nicely combined and smooth. That's how you get that nice green look. There you go, a nice ranch dressing, perfect for work salads, lunch salads, any type of salads. Please suggest us to your friend and watch it. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening.